Hi, my Capricorn friends. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. So, today we are sitting down for your love reading of 2021 of January of, did I say too many of? Okay. This is your love reading for the month of January of 2021. As simple as that. Okay. So today is January 3rd already, and it is very exciting for me to announce every time that this is your love reading for January 2021, because that makes me feel like, 2020 is gone by. Wow, we all survived. So congratulations to all of us. So without any delay, I'm going to start this love reading for you, Capricorn, by tapping onto your general energy. So, spirit guides and angels, what is the general energy of my Capricorn friends? Please help me tap onto the general energy of my Capricorn friends. What is in their mind? What is in their heart? Please let me know. Thank you very much. I'm going to cut the deck. I'm not satisfied for some reason. Okay, now it feels good. So, this is your general energy, Capricorn. Three of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Okay, a lot of pentacles now. See, Seven of Pentacles. Yes, it seems like you are trying to collaborate with your team of people, because this is the general energy of yours. It could be associated with your work and with your love as well, but then everything is related to everything else, right? So yes, what these two cards are telling is that you have been collaborating with your team. I think the teamwork is what you're focusing on if it is related to your work. Okay, and Seven of Pentacles, with Seven of Pentacles card, it seems like whatever you have been doing in your career, whatever number of steps you have already taken ahead in your career advancement, it seems like you are still not satisfied with whatever you have got or wherever you have reached. Okay, or your salary scale or your profit in your business, whatever you are doing, it's not like you are dissatisfied in the sense that you are sitting there sad and you are like depressed about it. It's nothing as such, but you are more ambitious. You have been able to gain a lot, yet you are wanting to do much more. Okay, you see much more possibility. You are very energetic, and hence you are trying to work upon that. You are not just sitting over there and thinking about more money or more success or anything, but what you're doing right now is that you are collaborating with people. Coordination is what I see. Communication is what I see. Basically, teamwork. That is what you are focusing on. So many pentacles here. Okay, Page of Pentacles. At the same time, you must be waiting for some sort of message, some sort of email that would mean a lot when it comes to your career advancement or your business, um, flourishing of your business, whatever it is. But Page, Messenger, so you are definitely waiting for some sort of message. Okay, so that was your general energy. There's nothing for me to clarify from there. So what is the love scenario of my Capricorn friends at the moment? Please, sorry, what is the love scenario of my Capricorn friends at the moment? How are they doing in their love? Ooh, okay, so because this is the direct question regarding love. Ten of Pentacles, it seems like you have somebody in your life. Wow, Ace of Wands. So new beginning hasn't happened and you are thinking about new beginning, is the sense that I'm getting. Yes, and Knight of Swords. Okay, you are at the brink of expressing your feelings and emotions to someone special. Okay, somebody appears like the Ten of Pentacles to you. You look at someone, or this could be you, this could be how you are being viewed by someone. Okay, energy can go vice versa, so I'll just say someone. Okay, so someone is being viewed like the Ten of Pentacles by somebody else. Okay, Ten of Pentacles, somebody very, very successful, somebody full of energy, somebody lively, somebody bright, somebody beautiful, somebody handsome, somebody with whom life can be prosperous. Somebody is looking at you like this, or you are looking at somebody like this. And yeah, so look at this Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands means you want a passionate new beginning with this person, and this person wants this passionate new beginning with you, and or okay, so take it as it resonates. But definitely somebody is highly attracted towards you, is the sense that I'm getting. Somebody is They are listening to songs, they are, they are lying down on the couch and they are, closing their eyes and they are thinking about their love interest all the time, and they are thinking of the ways in which you two are going to be intimate, you two are going to come close, the ways in which you'll be dating, what all talks you'll have, all the sweet things that you two might be doing, might be saying to each other. That is what is occupying your mind. At the same time, you seem to be very much career focused, but at the same time this thing is heavily in your mind, okay, or in your person's mind. And now you are thinking, you are contemplating right now at the moment. What you're doing is you are thinking when you should go and speak your feelings to this person, okay, whether it is the right time or not, whether it is you who's thinking that or it is your person. But for some reason I feel like both of you are feeling the same. Knight of Swords, brave, courageous, confident. There's nothing that holds you back. But probably there is some fear of, rejection to some extent. There's nothing to clarify. So I'm just going to ask what else? What else, Spirit Guides? Please tell us something more about the love story of my lovely Capricorn friends. Tell us something more. Okay. Yes, but definitely work is very much in this scenario, okay? It seems like Capricorn, you are much into work, while definitely somebody, you have seen someone quite promising and you don't want to let go of this person simply because you are overly prioritizing over your work right now. You don't want to miss out on this love opportunity, but you cannot let go of the work as well. To some extent I feel like you are to some extent addicted to your work or your business, whatever you are doing. You are giving so much time, so much attention in it. Look at this person absorbed in his work. Okay, what else? But at the same time, somebody is feeling very very emotional towards their love interest. They are like King of Cups, they are acting very matured. They want to, yeah, somebody wants to take care of someone like a baby. Okay, King of Cups, very fatherly kind of figure. Energy, is fluid. This could represent queen as well, a lady as well. So if it is for a lady, then this lady is very much motherly, very much nurturing, and wants to take care and nurture this relationship. Wow, take care of the partner as well. Temperance. And yeah, because Temperance card also represents reconciliation. It seems like you two have caught each other's eyes since a while now, but nothing could progress. You wow, I'm getting shy to some extent. In the past, maybe now you're not, because you are in the energy of Knight of Swords. But in the past probably you two were very much shy, to come face to face and to talk to each other. Maybe wow, I'm getting this sweet scenario wherein, when you are really absolutely crushing over someone, when you come face to face with that person, your cheeks start glowing, you start sweating, your heart starts racing. There was such kind of phase as well. Okay, yeah. And at that time, because of all those, overwhelming, you know emotions, you couldn't say anything much to each other despite having so much of fondness towards each other. But now, because certain time has already passed by, while being in that energy, now you're hoping that, reconciliation will happen someday. Probably now you are thinking that it has already been a long while, I should speak now. Or maybe your person is thinking that way towards you. Wow, this is sweet. Okay, so what else? What else of the love story of my Capricorn, please? Okay, the Magician. It seems like you both are manifesting Queen of Swords, and your person seems to be like a very very confident person, very truthful, fearless, because they speak the truth. Wow, fast communication. Okay, so definitely this relationship is being manifested. The Magician card is here. Either you are manifesting this person or this person is manifesting you. And for some reason, I feel like because these cards came along with Queen of Swords, it seems like your person's energy, okay? Somebody wants to manifest you in their life. And this somebody, this someone is someone who is very, you know, I don't know why I got the word aggressive when it comes to speaking truth. When they speak the truth, they are like aggressive, they simply cannot take lies from anyone. They can't bear anybody cheating on them. And whenever this person will come and speak, they will speak the truth. Basically, what I'm hearing is that they will not speak their heart out, they will speak the truth. Probably they have something related to their past which they want to relate to you very, very clearly, like face to face, eye to eye. And then only they would want to begin that romantic connection, that romantic bond, whereby you'll be doing, you know back and forth, those, love messages. You'll be sharing your feelings, your emotions, just how well intimate you want to be with each other. All this will happen, but only once this person speaks the truth. This person seems to be like a very, very highly intelligent person, okay? And why this person is so desirable for you is because of the way they think, just the way they think. You find that very attractive, very sexy. Mind of this person is very sexy for you, Capricorn. And this person wants to come towards you, they wants to have this fast communication with you. They can't wait anymore. And they are all driven by reason, thought, logic. They know that this is right. With you, it is right. With you, everything is all right. They know this thing. Wow. I like this person for you, Capricorn. And this person is manifesting you. You could be dealing with a Gemini. You could be dealing with a Virgo. You could be dealing with any water sign. Yeah, actually, all signs are here. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. You could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, fellow earth sign as well, but Virgo is coming off strongly, and Gemini is also coming off strongly also. Yeah, Aries could be your person, okay? So yes, so I like this person for you. Wow. So what is the advice then? Wow, somebody is desiring you so much, and somebody very intelligent, somebody who matches your energy, it seems like. What is the advice and outcome for my Capricorn friends, please? I'm not going to take out any more card. Hierophant. You are going to end up in marriage with this person. You love this person, absolutely. You like, more than love, you have so much of respect for the intellect that this person holds. And I know, Capricorn, that you will find yourself very, very lucky if this person comes, walks up to you one day and speaks to you. And guess what? Yes, at the beginning, they are going to be very methodical in their, approach towards you. Very methodical. And there might be such, scenario as well whereby you will think like, what is this? Does it have to be? Does the first date have to be this serious? Does it have to be this methodical, this mechanical? Isn't it supposed to be emotional? You are going to think that way, but there is nothing wrong with that. This is this person's, you know this is this person's way of dealing with things. Everybody has their own way of dealing with things, right? This person is slightly different, but different in a good way. This person is very intelligent. This person's mind is quite methodical. And this person is truly, truly driven by reason, The faculty of their mind which says what is right and what is wrong is very alert, very active. So when they come to you, there's no way this person will come in the wrong way to you. They'll always come correct. And they'll do the first thing first. And what is it that you gain with this person? Marriage, conjugal life, Hierophant. This is also someone who believes in the institution of marriage. You want marriage too, is the sense that I'm getting. If this person is as virtuous as I have described, then definitely you want marriage with this person, and that is what is going to happen for you. Ooh, how exciting is that? So, there ends my reading, Capricorn. I'm very, very happy. This is a very powerful reading for me. I don't know whether it resonated with you or not, but for me, it fills my heart with, satisfaction to be able to do this reading for you. So, if it resonates, please subscribe to my channel, support me, and let us meet again. Bye, Capricorn.